Welcome back, guys. You're watching Division 5. Today I'm showing you how to power a flyback primary with a tube circuit here. Now when you're having a tube with the P1 up to P4, you only connect P2 and P4 to the primary coil of your flyback. As you can see, it's working here. Now guys, when you're having a J1 up to J4, you only connect J1 and J3 to get the spark here. Now let's test using a paper if this can create fire. There you go. Thanks for watching. You're watching Division 5. Subscribe, hit the notification button for more videos like this.